Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jordan. I do all type of stuff on my channel, ranging from beauty to lifestyle to product reviews to try-ons. I basically do things that I find interesting, or things that I want you guys to be interested in, or products that I want you guys to try. So I welcome you if you're new here. If you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. And if you are new here, please go ahead and browse through my channel, watch a couple of my playlists. I do have a lot ranging from 15 to 8 hours. So if you want to show your support, that is one way you can go ahead and do so, or just watch any of my videos. Don't forget to leave a like on the video that you like, and also to subscribe to my channel because it does help my channel out. All right, so let's jump into today's video. Bye. Okay guys, so in today's video we will be talking about Silksilky. So Silksilky was so kind enough to send me over one of their pajamas for me to review for you guys today. I want to thank the company so much for reaching out to me and offering me to, you know, bring this product to you guys, because I've never heard of Silksilky before. But they do have a wide range of products ranging from pajamas to bedding, scrunchies, a whole lot of stuff that you guys might be interested in. They are 100% silk. Yes, I've never owned anything silk before, but we're gonna see what it's like today. And if you are interested in purchasing anything besides the product that I'll be showing you today from the company, I will be sure to leave a link to their website in my description bar so you can check that out. All right, so let's open her up. Okay, so alrighty, so this is what the box looks like. It comes with a card that has their website name on it, which is www.silksilky.com. It also have a little note on the back that says, guarantee, focus on your silky life, sleep with us, tell your friends. Silksilky has created for you a prestigious silkwear, 100% mulberry silk. Special textile techniques give the silk fabric a glossy and smooth tactile. And then it has a little fine note down below that says, to preserve your original quality of this product, avoid exposure to extreme heat, damp, hand wash clean, and store preferably. And it also came with a little tag, a little Silksilky tag, and it gives you the description or the methods to keep your silk intact. It tells you how to care and treat your silk and what not to do. So now it's time to look at this item. So this is it. I chose this color. I chose this color because I thought it was very cute, you know, pink. Yeah, for me. At the top of the nightgown, it has a little lace detail that you can see. It goes all the way around at the top of it, and it stops at the side. The back is basically like looking like this. It has adjustable straps just like your bra. And then it has a nice little slit right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It has a little bow right here, and the lace at the bottom, it goes all the way around from the front to the back. So we're gonna try this on and see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little more detail on the company. So this is what the detail that I was telling you about at the top of the nightgown looks like. It's very cute. And this is what it looks like on. I love this cute little slit right here. It's very nice. This is the back. So this is the back. It has no detail in the back right here. Oh, makes me feel so sexy. Yes, yes. But yeah guys, this is basically what it looks like. very cute. I love it. I wanted you guys to see the detail of the slits, how gorgeous it is, and the material feels very soft, very silky. As I said, I've never owned anything silky before. Well, made by silk before, I should say. But yeah. Okay guys, so that is basically what the silk nightgown looks like. As I mentioned, I've never owned anything made by 100% pure silk before, so I have nothing to compare it to, but it does feel very soft to the touch. And you know, it does have a little bit of wrinkle, but you can always steam it out or press it out to remove those. You would not believe what happened to me just now. I literally broke my ring light, so I have to be using my tripod to film the ending of this video. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing anything at all from Silksilky, please be sure to go ahead and use my discount code, which is Jordan, all right, at checkout. So you will get 15% off once you use my discount code and save some coin. You know, that's what we're here for, to save money and support each other. All right guys, so let me know what you think about this nightgown in the comment section. Will you be making a purchase? And yeah, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.